Let us solve this problem. It is called contains duplicate. Now the problem basically says we have an array given. The array is called nums, and in this array, if we have any duplicate value, we have to return true, and if there is no duplicate value, we will return false. Now this problem can be easily solved using set. If you don't know what set is, set in Python looks like this, but you cannot have any duplicate value in set. So for example, I cannot have apple twice in this set. Now let me show you how we are going to do this. First of all, we will take an empty set and we will loop through our array. So let's see that maybe our array looks like this, something like this. And each time we are looping through this, we will check if that value exists in our set or not. So for example, when I am checking number 5, I will check if this exists in our set or not. If it doesn't exist, we will simply add that value to the set. Then we go to the next value. Does 2 exist in our set? No, it doesn't. So let us add 2. Does 5 exist in our set? Yes, it does. So we will simply return true. Now let us code it and see how it works. First thing, we have to take an empty set. I will call it dataset, and this is how you take a set in Python. Now we will look through this nums array that is given to us. So for v in nums, inside the v we will have value of the array. Now first of all, we want to check if this v exists in our set or not. So let us do that. If v in data set, that means if v already exists in the data set. If it doesn't exist, we simply return true. I mean, if it does exist, that means we have a duplicate. So we simply return true. And if it doesn't exist, we come out of this if condition and we add the value to our set. Dataset.add the value. And after the loop is done, if we don't find any duplicate, we can simply return false outside this loop. Now let me run and see. Okay, it says global name true is not defined, and that is because in Python you have to write like this. Also for false you have to write this like this. So let us run again, and this time it is accepted.